Okay, let me take this out and then put this away. There's a pile of papers and boxes now. Okay guys, so here we are. Oh, the smell. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yes, not everything is always going smoothly in video production, unfortunately. I have to tell you that. So I lost a lot of the footage, unfortunately, that I filmed for today. Even though I was pretty proud of that little video, nonetheless I was able to save some of the material. I was actually able to save the moment where I unboxed the bag, which I'm pretty proud of, because I feel like the initial reaction, like the first reaction we have when we unbox a bag, that's always the most truthful thing, right? So I got that one. I got a couple of other clips as well. I will do the best I can. I will do my editing magic and hopefully still transform this little disaster into a beautiful video. Also, what I want to tell you guys, if you haven't seen my beautiful Bvlgari vlog yet from Wednesday, please go and check it out. That was, I think, the best vlog, the best video I ever filmed and edited. I'm also pretty proud of that. Yeah, if you've watched it, thank you so much. If you haven't, please go check it out. And I would say let's just roll the footage. So first of all, this was a little birthday gift I got from Dina, which is so lovely, of course. So here we are. This is the beautiful book that I got, and she wrapped it so nicely as well. And the glamour of Italian fashion since 1945. And yeah, I have to say I absolutely love these books. I've got a couple of those from other fashion houses as well. Okay, so here we are. You can see it a bit better and the reflection is not as strong. Ooh, okay, let's have a quick look inside and then I will enjoy this over the next over the next couple of weeks. So I'm also going to show you all the bags I currently own from Bvlgari later on in this video. It's such a beautiful bag. Are we ready? Are we ready? Drum roll. Let's look at this. Okay, where is she? There we have the beautiful dust bag and you can already see the strap, so you guys might know what it is now. Okay, let me take this out and then put this away. There's a pile of papers and boxes now. Okay guys, so here we are. Oh, the smell. So beautiful. Yes, so this is Bvlgari's new Cabochon, Serpenti Cabochon bag. This is the new, fresher, modern kind of version of their old Cabochon model, of course, and I absolutely love it. I've seen it when I filmed with them a couple weeks ago already, and I was like, wow, I think I need this bag in my life. Some of you have actually said it's like Bvlgari's version of the Chanel 19 bag, and I completely agree. However, this is more elegant, this is more sophisticated. I think the Chanel 19 is a little bit more edgy, right? And this one you can easily like dress up and down. I think to actually use a Chanel 19 bag for like a fancy event, you know, that might be quite hard. But yeah, so here we are. This is the medium size. So there is a smaller size, which is basically the size of a Chanel mini rectangular. It's like, I would say, this high and maybe this wide, and then you have a larger size which is comparable to the large Chanel 19 as well. So this is in between, this is the medium size. Here we are, this beautiful pink bag. There we go. It is this beautiful rich pink, and as you can see, the hat has those three little mother of pearl scales, and this is actually pink mother of pearl. So the cream colored bag comes with white mother of pearl scales, and of course the pink one comes with pink mother of pearl. Pink mother of pearl is like classified a little bit higher than white mother of pearl because, you know, it's more difficult to find those shells. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? And the gold is such a rich gold color. I absolutely love it. I love this bag so much. Let's have a look inside. So it's basically, you open it up, it says Bvlgari, made in Italy, right there, and then you have the little button, the snap button, and it is stuffed currently I don't even know if these ones come with a mirror. I think they don't. I think only the classic Serpenti Forever bags, yeah, come with a mirror. So here we go. Wow! It's a beautiful burgundy color, interior leather lining. And guys, this entire bag is made out of leather. It's not like Chanel, you know, where you only have like the outer shell basically of the bag that's made out of leather, and then you have like fabric inside. This is a full leather bag, and we love that, of course. You have that little, whoops, zipper pull right here. Can we see that? Nine. So difficult to show. I hope you can see it. So it's like the little snake head as well. So you have a zipper compartment, you have a little slip pocket right here, and the main compartment of the bag. And it closes so easily. So yeah, I love it. That's all I can say. It comes with this shoulder strap. So this shoulder strap, beautifully made, it's adjustable, so you know, everybody should be able to wear it on their preferred size. Oh, and I forgot to show you, of course, every Bvlgari bag comes with its own little raincoat. So that's always good, especially if you live in London. So basically this, I always talk about the archived head. This is the archived head. They took it basically out of the archive and reissued it. And I've got one other bag that has the same kind of clasp, which is this beauty. So it is the same design of the clasp. However, this one is, it's actually called the Serpenti Forever Mini, crossbody mini bag. So this is one of their smaller, you know, Serpenti Forever versions. Can we see? Can we see? This head is just entirely gold plated, so there's no gemstones on it or anything, but it's basically the same head. And then here you have the same one with the little 3 scales. Don't fall off the cushion. Okay guys, and then of course I have my Bvlgari and Mary Katrantzou collaboration bag. This is me in a bag. I've said it 1,000 times, but I cannot say it often enough. I absolutely love it. This is for any Slytherin out there, for any nerd out there who's a Slytherin. You know, this is the ideal bag. I absolutely love it, especially that handle. This was my first ever Bvlgari bag. This is just a classic Bvlgari Serpenti Forever. The color always, it never comes across properly on screen, but you get an idea. And this one comes of course with the classic Bvlgari snake head closure clasp. And then I also have this one, which is also a classic Serpenti Forever in the small size. This is the medium size. They once had a larger size, but they discontinued it like long ago. So same, this is a classic one with the classic clasp. Yeah, and also what I did still find was actually a clip from a couple of weeks back when I filmed with Bvlgari, and I did actually compare all 3 sizes of the new Serpenti Cabochon bag. So, you know, of course, for anybody who's interested into purchasing one of those beautiful bags, that might probably be pretty helpful, hopefully, for you to decide which size you want to go for. So let's have a look. Okay guys, so that is of course a lot of bags, but I think this is the best way of showing you the size comparison. So here we have the medium size, which I think is best for everyday use. We have the mini, which is just incredibly cute, and I think I would prefer that one actually for my collection. And then we have the maxi size, and yeah, this is all the beautiful bags. I love the design of the cabochon and this maxi métallisé pattern. It is incredibly beautiful. Yeah guys, so what do we think about this beauty? I was actually already wearing it for the very first time last night when we went to watch the new James Bond film, and I love her so much. I think she is pretty stunning, and I can't wait to style her with different outfits. Yeah, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease, yes, and it is a disease. And yeah guys, I see you again very soon. Bye!